Our project is Object Finder using Bluetooth and Android. We are a group of 4 members guided by Srividya and Binu ma'am. What is an object finder? An object finder is a small thin device that attaches to your most important possessions and allows you to track the location and throw notification alerts in the event that they are misplaced. Some of the use case scenarios are, for example, to find keys, books, etc., to track your pets, to find your car in a jam-packed car parking space, to track and find your luggages while traveling. You will gain peace of mind that you will always be able to find important items even when they are just hiding around your house. In the event that something gets truly lost, like left at a restaurant, a mall, or on a park bench, your odds of finding it will be much higher if you have our module attached. Coming to the functionality of the module, our module can be attached to any objects of interest, basically any item that you are prone to lose, and can then be tracked using our Android application. The distance between the user and the object can then be known. That is, it will be displayed on the Android application. This can make the user aware of how close she or he is to their object. The approximate range of the module is 15 meters. The LED and the buzzer attached to the module can be activated on demand, thus enhancing the findability of the object. The whole system is powered by a 300 mAh lithium polymer battery. The estimated battery life is of 6 months, considering the system uses a Bluetooth low energy module. The microcontroller used here is the ATtiny85 IC for sending alert signals to the LED and the buzzer. The user interface is basically the Android application that we developed. The Android application was developed on Android Studio using Java. The 3D model was designed on Onshape modeling software. The printed circuit board was designed on EagleCAD. And finally, the simulation was performed using Proteus simulation software. This is the circuit design. A USB port is given for charging the lithium polymer batteries. Let us watch a video of the working of our project. Considering case 1, in which the user and the module is very close to each other. So the Bluetooth device is listed, and you can see that the distance between the phone and the module is 0.1 meter. Now let us consider case 2. The distance between the module and phone has been increased by up to 2.5 meters. So now you can see the Bluetooth device is listed and the distance is about 1 meters. The distance between the user and the module was calculated from the RSSI, that is the receiver signal strength indicator values, using the below formula. In the future, an object finder that integrates a GPS module can be developed. This will be further possible if the battery technologies also improve in the meantime. Also, with the improvements in the Bluetooth technologies, the range of the module can be further increased.